Last time on Project Gerald, the suspension had us bouncing all over the place. Today we are fixing the issue and taking Gerald out for his first real test drive. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the suspension. We're going to fix the ABS and we're going to try to get the oil sensor light to come off. So let's get started. Alright, so at the end of the struts, you have an 18. I put the stand here so this thing doesn't fall. Alright, that part is out. Now we're gonna go in the trunk and pull this part. Alright, so we're gonna open the trunk and holy moly, got a lot of garbage back here. Alright, I'm gonna take these things out. And what's going on here, and this is a fire hazard. Definitely a fire hazard. What's this? I don't know what's going on here. My gosh. Is this even the right spare tire for this car? I highly doubt it. This looks like a tractor tire or something. Is this the real spare tire? I got no idea. I highly doubt it. We have to take this entire thing out. I knew something was off. This is the real spare tire. That other tire, I don't know what the hell was that. That looked like something going to borrow or something. This is the real spare tire. Once you pull it, you're just gonna drop right through. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and then we go back underneath the car. Guys, I just wanna take a second and show you the difference. Look on this spring. Basically, this thing was dead. Like, I shouldn't be able to do this. Super dead. Look, down, that's it, it's dead. So the entire time the car was driving on these big ass springs. So this is the ECS Tuning coilovers I'm using. I swear this is just BC's sticker with a different name, but who knows. Anyway, here's the parts for the back. It comes with this bolt right here that bolt in and keep the thing steady on the control arm. Versus this one is just holding by a big ass spring and it's rubber boot. But look on the difference, guys. And that's the part number. The only problem I'm worrying about, because this suspension came off of a coupe, and I'm using it for the wagon. The wagon is a bit heavier, so I'm not sure if I probably need a stiffer spring rate on this spring, but we're gonna find out when we put it on. I think that's the only thing is different from the coupe and the sedan and the wagon is the spring rate. But we're gonna try it out, guys, so let's go install it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install this first. This thing here, it comes with a bolt, a big bolt, that's what it comes with, and there's a washer. So basically, what we're doing is basically putting this bolt under. There you go, let's screw it in. Once we do that, the original rubber piece, I don't remember if this comes from ECS Tuning or from the car itself, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it, basically, this thing here, you're gonna slide it on there. So we put it in here, sit it. There you go. I'm gonna slide this bad boy in here. And we're gonna go up. Wow, that's how much it's compressed, guys. See, it's very compressed. It's in the hole, so I'm gonna bolt it from the top, and then I tighten this part, and then we should be good for this side, and then we can move on to the next. Everything is working, no more bunksy, no more bunks. It's just Drive really, really good. Still need a lot of work, but so far the car is great. This car is going to be really good on the track. I have to cut the bumper a bit because the exhaust is touching the bumper a bit, so we have to adjust that. But other than that, guys, it's really coming together. And if you listen, you can hear the fan. The fan is spinning like crazy right now. So the thing is working. I hook up an oil temp sensor and I also hook up a oil pressure sensor. Right now, the car has the oil light. The reason why it has the oil light because this is a 2000 and the parts that I took was from a 2001. The signal is different to the ABS and the oil temp sensor, so I have to repin that in the ECU. So we have to do that later on. But for now, the biggest thing, the car is driving really good. I do hook up the temp sensor I have on the car. It tells me the oil pressure, so that's why I'm not worried. But everything else, guys, the car is really, really nice. So let's go keep driving and see how the car perform, and then I'll talk to you some more. Yeah. LSD is doing good. Some racing seats. I'm floating around in this car. But so far, guys, the car is solid. We have some upgrades coming in, but so far the car is great. Oh, brake. Coming in too hot. Steering wheel shaking. We need to fix some stuff. Oh, I'm dancing around in this seat.